Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR Cardio Mag 2.0, 120 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description: Vegan non-GMO gluten-free premium dietary supplement, GMP manufacturing, quality assured independent testing. Discussion: The magnesium orotate in AOR's Cardio Mag 2.0 is fully reacted, unlike most products which are food-grade mixtures of orotic acid with inorganic magnesium salts. This true magnesium orotate combines two compounds important for optimal cardiovascular function. Suggested use: take one capsule 1 to 4 times daily with food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: organic rice hulls, capsule, hypromellose and purified water. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Contains no wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings: do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Consult your physician if you are pregnant or lactating, or if you have a medical condition, or are taking any medication. Keep out of the reach of children. Disclaimer: while AOR strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by AOR.